Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to add filters on Filmora. So, after we uploaded our sample video on the timeline, go to the effects and then go to the filters. We have many types of filters, let me choose one. You can manage it where you want to show your filter, like on the beginning or on the end and so on. Let me choose some other types of filters. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.